I'm gonna go shorter. Here's a little inspo that I have. Hi guys, welcome to this video. So I literally just decided to make this a video. So this is going to be like a New Year glow up video, 2021 maintenance, something like that, because that's what it is. Because my birthday is in February, I like to book all of my appointments and get cute and get ready for the new year as a little treat to myself. So yeah, if you guys are interested in like pampering videos and a little bit of a DIY self-pamper, please stick around. You guys will probably find it interesting. So okay, let me put you guys down because my arms are already tired. So yeah, I have a few appointments that I booked, and then I have some DIY stuff that I do, you know, just to save a little bit of money, and some things I actually like doing myself, and then the stuff that I don't know how to do or don't like to do, I find professionals for. So as for the appointments, I booked my hair appointment today. I barely know what I want to do, but I just know I want to do something. Although my hair looks kind of cute right now. So I booked it in 2 days. Literally, I have to figure out what I want to do. But yeah, it's a hair appointment. It's a cut and color. I always get a cut and color. It is kind of long, and I kind of want to cut it a little bit shorter. So we'll see. And then the day after, I have my lash appointment. So if you guys can see, I'm actually like at week 5 or 6. So I have a good amount of lashes left, but again, they're looking a little bit sparse. So we're gonna get them done. They're gonna be super cute and full. I can't wait to see my hair girl and my lash girl. I've been going to them for years now, so you know, we're friends. So yeah, I'll link them in the description box down below. I do pay for my services. And then as for the DIY stuff, I've been getting into gel nails. So this is like the first gel nail manicure that I've given myself. It's like a brown tip. It's super cute. So I'm going to touch it up in the coming days, so it'll be super cute, so we can have a whole look. And then because it's winter and I'm pale, I'm so excited to try this product. This is the Soul by Jergens Sunless Tanning Water Mousse. I'm so excited to try this. I got it in the medium and deep color. I think I'm going to try the deep color because if we're going to do any self-tanning, we might as well go all the way. So yeah, I also got the applicator mitt, so super exciting. I'm probably going to try it out tonight. Literally midnight. I am psychotic. But yeah, it's literally midnight, but I really wanted to try it because I just got it in the mail. It looks so easy to use. It has like a cool little pump, and it looks like it's really like mess free and everything like that. So it's really late now. I'm going to shower, exfoliate my body, prep my body for the water mousse so I can get the best results. And it says the color should develop in a few hours. So I think I'm gonna wake up sun-kissed and beautiful. So we're gonna try this out. Okay, just showered. I'm gonna do like a little before and after because I think that'll be interesting. Before. And I'll do one here. Okay, so I'm gonna open it. So this is what it looks like. And now get started. Oh, it smells really nice. Wow, it smells so good. I love that it's streak free and mess free. This is really cool. It smells really nice. It's like a light scent. So this is really easy to apply and dries in 60 seconds.
Thank you to Soul by Jergens for partnering with me. I would really recommend their products if you're looking for a really easy to use sunless self tanner. I will link all the products that I used in the description box down below.
So I just finished applying it. It was super easy. It dries within 60 seconds and it has a really nice scent. So I'm going to go to sleep now and I can't wait to wake up and see how this turns out. This is after. So it's like a really nice deep tan on me and I like it a lot. It's so cute. It was really easy. Good morning. So today is my hair appointment, so I wanted to show you guys my hair before. I think this is like 3-day-old hair. I mean, it looks pretty good, but the top part is like all black. I'm doing the Beauty Guru hand on my head. I want to show you the roots. Yeah, I'm gonna ask my hairstylist Jamie to like film my hair before because I can't really do it, or I'll try to figure it out at the salon. But yeah, exciting. This is Jamie. Hi. Okay, we're just talking about my hair.
Yeah, so if we're doing a curtain bang, we're gonna bring more hair to the front. It's gonna be more thicker. And then the length will end up like, some people might like it a little shorter, but we should do a little bit, like slightly like longer.
Yeah, you have to learn how to style it. Okay.
And for the color face framing, we're gonna do like a front section more brighter, more higher.
Yeah. I kind of want to cut off a few.
You wanna go shorter?
Yeah.
Last time you were saying you wanna go a lot shorter.
Oh, let me put this down. Yeah. Yeah. Maybe like here.
So we're doing 5 inches shorter.
5 things.
Yeah.
Okay. It grew a good amount. Yeah.
And you still like it a little bit long layers, right? Not like a very short, chunky.
Oh,
Like a very gradual.
like the waterfall looking one.
Or you like to try more like a, do you want to try it like more like a clean, just like a straight up top in the bottom, or you like it more layered?
I think I like it layered because I have so much hair.
Okay, more like a soft, like a face frame just in the front.
Yeah.
And shorter in the front.
Yeah.
So the length will be end up like somewhere here.
Yeah, I think that'll be fun.
Yeah. I like to do the haircut first.
Okay. The top part too, because I said it was black.
Yeah. Okay.
Look up at the sky, ask it why are you all so afraid? Never thought that I could describe such a lonely place. Now there's all this space something after there's nothing to say. We're just moving in circles, but we're losing our shape.
Yeah, I like the length too.
And then take a look at the back.
Yeah. Pretty. A little higher. Thank you. Yeah, I like the length too.
Hi guys, so I'm home now. I wanted to show you guys my after hair. So it's much shorter. I have curtain bangs. Now let me turn on my ring light so you guys can see it better. Okay, so here's a more realistic color. I did do a lot of vlogging in the salon, so hopefully you guys saw the process and enjoyed that. I'm gonna share with you guys what I got. So it's balayage highlights and baby lights, and I get long layers. I cut off like 5 inches, so my hair I think used to be like here. It is curled, so it's a little bit shorter, and my highlights are in a neutral ash blonde color. Super duper cute. And then for the highlights, I get overall in my head, I get them starting lower, and then I get more highlights concentrated in the front so you guys can see, and then I get them super duper high. So this is like my money piece, and I got curtain bangs, so super duper cute. And yeah, so tomorrow I have my lashes to do because I literally probably have 10 on each eye, so I'm gonna bring you guys to that tomorrow. Literally see you guys in the next clip. So yeah. Hi guys, so it's the next morning. I'm going to get my lashes done today. I just wanted to show you guys the before. So this is the before. I think I'm like 5 or 6 weeks out. They're still pretty prominent. I do like it when it's pretty full, so we're gonna get them filled. Here's the lash studio. Super cute.
Baby, it's too thick.
I think it says the number somewhere. Oh yeah, here. It says it here. Oh, $9.90. Yeah. They're really comfortable. Is it right? I like pants too. The pants is from Princess Polly.
Sun comes up. Better than feeling like I need your love. Dancing till my legs go numb, till I go numb. Dancing till my legs go numb, till I go numb. Dancing till my legs.
Hello, I'm done. So I just went to Nina, and this is what my lashes look like. So I asked for them to be super wispy, so yeah. She made them so good. She always does such a good job. This is what after looks like. Glowing up, looking cute. Ah! So cute.
So I'm doing an at-home DIY manicure, and this is my bare nails. I'm starting off with a base coat, so this is the base coat that I'm using. Here's a little inspo that I have. I'm just redoing the brown French that I already have. So I'm just applying the base coat to my 4 fingers. I'm doing 4 because my light is on the smaller side, so I can't fit the thumb in, so I'm going to do that separately. I believe this light is for about 1 minute. And now I'm using this deep brown color for the French on my nails. It's really simple. I'm keeping it really simple. So I'm not really using any base color. I'm fine with my natural pink color of my nail. So I'm just roughly covering the white part of my natural nail and just trying to make like a really rough sketch of the French tip. So you have to trust the process here. I'm just going around and trying to make the color opaque and even. And once I'm happy with the opaqueness and coverage of my really messy brown color, I'm going to take a brush and dip it in acetone and then go in and actually create the shape of the French manicure that I want. So I'm just making the shape, making sure to wipe off any of the excess color and then re-dip into the acetone and continue on with that process. Once I'm happy with the shape I created, I go ahead and cure the color. And here's the final product before the top coat. Here's the top coat that I'm using. It is from IBD. It is an intense seal top coat. I don't have to wipe it off or cleanse it or anything. It's just cure and I'm done. So that's why I went with this one. I'm just making sure to round about the tip and the edges, so hopefully it will stay on a little bit longer, and then I'll go ahead and cure. And here is the final product.
Hello, so this is me. This is a few days later. I washed out my hair and this is how I styled it. I'm still learning how to style curtain bangs, but yeah, I guess you guys can see this hair length, curly and straight. So this is what it looks like. It is much brighter. Essentially, I just told Jamie, my hairstylist, go shorter and go brighter, like lighter and brighter. So she did that for me, so that's super awesome. So yeah, this is essentially my 2021 New Year glow up or maintenance routine. I hope you guys liked coming along with me. So just to overview everything, we did my hair, we did my lashes, they're so gorgeous, and we did a nice little fake tanner so your girl looks sun-kissed, and we did a cute little gel manicure, so that was super fun. I'll link everything I used down below and everyone that I went to and as much information as I can. If you guys have any comments or anything you want to share with me, I'll be sure to respond down below. And yeah, if you guys like the video, please give it a like. If you're new here and would like to see more from me, please consider subscribing, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.